Eto, Mikat. Ayan, 5'2" ako, ma. Extras, maganda, ma. Ang ganda. Okay. Ayan, mga Hailey Bieber. Ganyan mga suotan. Ay, ito pa, Kat. Kunin mo. This one is branded by Billabong. Size 6. Extra small to small to, ma. Okay. Cotton linen. Tapos nakahiwalay siyang ganyan. Nadine. Ganyan. Extra small to small. Zipper back. Code ako Nadine. Nadine for 380 pesos. Nadine. FM, yours sa CSOS, mahal. 480 lang to. Nadine. FM, yours na to, be. F, 123, yours na to, bebe ko. Okay, next, brand new by Zara. This one is medium. Brand new by Zara, medium on tag. Hindi ko ma-explain yung tela. Pero bagsak siya na parang soft linen na hindi ko maintindihan. Okay, 480, code ako neon. Brand new by Zara. 480 code is neon, mga madam. Code ng neon. Code is neon. Branded by I Saw It First. Small. Extra small to small. Brand new po by I Saw It First. Code ako ng green, 380. Code ng green, 380 pesos. Code is green. Okay, next one is Portman. Size is small med. Pang-office, mga madam, ha? Branded by Portman. Small medium. Kasya to sa akin. Garter waist po. 480. Code ako dito ng Veronica. 480. Code is Veronica. Small medium po. Code is Veronica. Small medium. Okay, next one is another romper dress with belt. Medium large din ito. Madam Dulce. Ang ganda nito. Adjustable strap. Okay, cotton linen siya, branded by Ali. Best fit medium large, zipper back, belte. Ay, may belt siya kasama, romper dress po. Code ako dito ng hanger, 680 mahal. Hanger, 680. Hanger for 680 pesos. Hanger. Ay, may nyo to be. Medium large, branded by Ali. Another romper dress. Okay, this one is up to large, mga madam. Medium large, again, romper dress yan ha, tapos patay nut lang sa harap. Again, best fit up to large. Code ako dito ng white, 580 white. Ay! Jenard! Parang may nagtatao. Ay! Jenard! Ay, sino ba yan? Mima, wait lang! Wala bang doorbell? Walang battery? Eto ha, large, mahal, ganda. Code is white, 580 na lang. Code ng white, 580 pesos. Okay, next one, ito on the go, medium large na wrap around, mga madam. Ha, dress po ito, min dress. Medium large, branded by Faithful the brand. Pa-wrap around, may snap button. 380, code ako wrap around. 380, code ng wrap around. Next is Glassons. Another wraparound, small, medium, soft linen, mga madam, ha. Small, medium, powder blue, super nice. Code po ako dito na, ay, dusty blue pala. Small, medium, size 8 po, ha. Code po ako dito ng powder, 380. Powder, 380 pesos. Code is powder. SF2, Mindanao, ma'am, 115. Starts at 115, ma'am. May pabagsak pa. Yes, Madam Irish, ayun na, papunta na. Okay, next, 2XL, branded by Ali, mga madam. Mini dress to, ha. XL to 2XL, mga madam, branded by Ali po. Up to 2XL, super pretty. Code pa ako dito ng plus. Code ng plus, 480 lang. Plus, 480. Edlin, wrap around, yours na to, 380. Miss Edlin, 123, yours na to, Miss Edlin. Okay, next. Another XL, branded by Cotton On, mga madam, ha. Branded by Cotton On. Ay, ang ganda. XL po ni Cotton On, mustard yellow siya. Code ako dito, mustard, 380. Large XL code is mustard for 380 pesos. Thank you, Madam Regine. Jenny Lota powder. Ma, yours na to, 380 lang. 123, yours na to, ma. Okay, next one, another on the go mga bakla ha. This one is XL po. XL, ay large lang pala, sorry. Branded by Kitty, soft linen yung tela, dark green. Tapos on the go lang talaga siya, as in straight. Okay, code ako dito, medium large to mga madam. Code ako dito ng straight. Straight, 380 pesos, medium large. Code is straight. Okay, next one is large. Large na strappy, mga madam. Napakaganda nito. Adjustable strap. Shit, ang ganda. Okay, large. Parang large semi-XL to, mga madam. Tapos may ganyan siya. Ito parang embroidered na sunflower kineso. Size large na, mga madam. Adjustable strap for 380. Code lavender. Code ng lavender for 380 pesos. Code is lavender. Okay, next. Hala, maganda to. On the go. Skylin, kunin mo to. Small. Okay. Extra small to small, mga madam. Zipper back. Best fit small, 380, mga madam. Branded by Papaya. Cotton siya, ha. Code is Papaya, 380 pesos. Code Papaya for 380 pesos. Code is Papaya.